It's an old model German machine, Siemens. Very good machine. One of the heaviest machine I've seen around. I tried to move it, man. You have to be in good shape to carry this machine. So these are the concrete blocks, quite heavy. We have others here, like this one, quite big. Then if you check, this is the solenoid valves, just like the one for the new models. That is the sensor, quite different. This is the drum. It has screws, bolts that hold the drum. Okay, and then it has the motor. It's no more. This is the dispenser. Okay, and then this is the dashboard. This is the door. The door switch is here. It's not the fully automatic one, the one that opens immediately once you pause the machine. This takes like a minute to open. Okay, and then the hooks that come with these machines are plastic, like this one here. And then this is the door rubber seal. This is the drum. That's the noise from the motor. So let's put it on spin. Let's see how it works. It's written in German, but yeah, we can understand that. Google has all the answers. So let's put it on spin because it's not connected on water. So it's still off. And then this is how the cables look like, the sockets, quite different from others. So we power it on. There we go. So that's cotton intensive. So let's put it on spin. Spin will be here, down here. That's the spin. So it will do 1200 revolution per minute. We can still adjust that if we need to 800 or any other that you want, 400. It's quite an old model and the buttons are quite sticky because it's not been serviced in a while. So I'll put it back on 1200, 1400. Let's do it on the highest speed. Let's see how it behaves. And then this is the start button. So let's see how it behaves from here. So you'll hear the noise coming from the pump. That's the noise. Now it's draining. It's still on number 12. It's draining as you can see now. The drum is rotating. It's about to peak speed. Please note, all washing machines, the drums are always suspended. To avoid that vibration, the drums are always suspended. That's how you can see the drum shaking, but the machine is stable. This is a very strong washing machine. It's taking speed now. Motherboard, the control panel. That's like 400 revolution per minute. We are yet to reach the highest speed. Extending the cycle. That was 1400 revolution per minute. So this happens after it's done spinning. The pump will still run as it drains the water that was underneath the drum. So that's why you see it stopped spinning, but it's still draining. And then something else after spinning, because when it's spinning, the drum is moving in one direction. So you will see that the drum tends to move clockwise and anti-clockwise, clockwise and anti-clockwise, as you can see. Now to remove grease from the cloths. because when it was spinning, it was going the one side, squeezing the clothes to remove all the water to dry the clothes up. So now it has to move clockwise and anti-clockwise, clockwise and anti-clockwise.